Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in collaboration with ISEE Hair. They sent me this wig to try out and share with you all. So I will be reviewing their 6x9 T-part lace wig in 22 inches. Now 22 inches on a kinky curly texture is going to shrink up a bit, so just keep that in mind, but it's still very much true to length. The cap construction is a T-part, which gives you a larger parting space than your traditional T-part, which means you have more versatility in how you style it. The lace looks very natural. The cap itself is very comfortable. You have an elastic band. It also comes with a drawstring in the back, which is also a game changer for getting a secure fit. Overall, first impressions out of the box, the quality feels premium, especially for the price point you find on Amazon. Alright, so now that I already have the wig on, this is what it looks like before I even add any products to it. The hair, I absolutely love the hair. I love how natural it feels. It's very soft. Now I'm just going to pull this in to get my most secure fit. This what makes the wig more accessible for everyone, whether you're a beginner or someone who has been wearing wigs for years. You do not need a full glue application just to get a secure, confident fit. That's where the drawstring comes in, which I absolutely love. So I am using Got to Be Glued spray on the lace. I'm just going to spray right along the hairline and apply my lace band to press that lace down. And I'm going to leave this on while I style my hair. I love kinky curly wigs, specifically as we move into warmer months. The texture and curl pattern blends so well with natural hair, and it's also versatile. You can wear it down, pull it up, or tie it back. The 6x9 T-part on this wig is really a step above. ISEE Hair made this one wider, and it makes a significant difference in the final look. In the 22-inch length, even with the shrinkage from the kinky curl texture, you are still getting a substantial length. Okay, so since I completely ran out of my mousse, I am using the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Defining Gel as my styling product. This gel is a staple for anyone who loves a defined moisturized curl, and honestly, I think it may have worked even better than my mousse would have. So right now, I am starting at the front, and I'm going to lightly spray this section with water first, just enough to reactivate that curl pattern. Next, I'm going in with my detangler brush because kinky curly hair, whether it's natural or a wig, responds best when you work with the curl rather than against it. So I am starting from the ends and working my way up. And now I'm just going to take a small amount of the Shea Moisture Gel, and I'm working it through this section, making sure every strand is coated. And then I like to finger coil you, and I'm just wrapping small pieces around my finger to encourage each curl to clump together. And that is going to give me that defined, intentional look rather than a frizzy, undefined curl. Kinky curly hair is one of my favorite hair textures, especially with wigs, specifically as we move into warmer months. The texture and curl pattern blend so well with natural hair, and it's also versatile. You can wear it down, pull it up, tie it back. The 6x9 T-part on this wig is really a step above. ISEE Hair made this one wider, and it makes a significant difference in the final look. In the 22-inch length, even with the shrinkage from the kinky curly texture, you are still getting a good amount of length. I will have this hair linked directly in the description below so you can find it easily on Amazon. Make sure you are checking the description for the exact wig name, length, and style. So as we head into summer, one thing I am being really intentional about is protecting my hair from the heat and humidity. Wigs are genuinely one of the best protective styles for summer because your natural hair is tucked away and not being exposed to the elements every single day. Humidity is the enemy of a lot of hairstyles, but kinky curly textures actually thrive in it. So if you live somewhere that gets hot and humid in the summer, this type of wig is going to work in your favor rather than against you. Summer is also the season where I want everything to be fast and easy. My skincare routine gets simpler, my wardrobe gets lighter, and my hair has to keep up with that energy. Okay, so you can see the styled side versus the unstyled side. I love how the curls are forming together nicely, and the density on this wig is perfect. Okay, so I am using my blow dryer to speed up the drying process, and I am using a low to medium heat setting. Okay, y'all, so this ISEE hair wig genuinely exceeded my expectations. The quality, the curl pattern, the lace, all of it held up nicely from start to finish. If you have been looking for a summer wig that is easy to style and even easier to wear, this is definitely it. I am absolutely in love with how this turned out. Everything you saw today is linked in the description box below. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment. Huge thank you to ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.